Hi, my name is Bimbo Oshin, if you don't care, and I'm on the set of ODALE, written and produced by your girl. Well, do I look like an elephant? That's what I call her. This is a wonderful set. I'm glad to be here. It's the first time I'll be working with her, and this is the first time a lady is going to direct me. So you know what that means. Um, it's a wonderful set, lovely crew, quite hardworking. My character here, I'm actually playing Fei Shayo. Fei Shayo, how will I place her? She's a devoted wife. I'm born into a very wealthy family. That was what she thought anyway. I don't want to leak the story, but you know your girl Allwell. She has done several movies, and I can tell you, she's a very good producer. Her stories are deep, as in very, very deep, touchy. And I want to tell you, my fans out there, that when Odale comes out, you guys should go grab your own copies. You love it. You learn from it. And it's not a film that kids can watch. Kids can actually learn from it. And it's wonderful. I'm having fun, as in I'm having fun with my brother here, Richard Oshin, playing the lovey-dovey. You know, we've never done that before. Thank you all well. R.I.P.
Hi, people. My name is Otumba Richard Olaniyoshi, and I'm with Allwell, a fantastic producer, director. And it's not the first time I'm working with her. She's really good, and but I must tell you that this is the first time I'm playing. No, it's not the first time I'm playing my sister's husband. We've done that before. But it's the first time we are doing the lovey-dovey stuff, you know. It's a nice story. I read it from back to back. I'm not going to tell you everything, no. But all I just want you to know is when it comes out, it's going to be very fantastic. My role here, Lawrence. That's my character. The character of Lawrence, you know, is a nice guy, loving, caring, a fantastic guy. And when he met Oluwafe Shayo, things just turned around. Should I tell you the rest? No, I should not. Cut! Go and get it when it's out. One love, people.
How you guys doing? Like, I'm feeling like a hip hop artist, you know. Kind of playing the role of a spoiled child. I'm gonna be okay later on. By my hour responsible, you know. That's how I do it. I'm not gonna tell you the story, you know. Well, she writes stories, and it's always fascinating. I am playing Ayomi in the movie, and I am also multitasking as the PM, the production manager. I like working with Allwell. She's someone that knows what she wants all the time. And apart from the fact that Allwell is a fantastic producer, she is also a fantastic director, and we have fantastic members of the crew. Tunde Dixon, the DOP, the light guy. Everybody should come around, please. Please, the crew.
Hey, yeah.
We have the makeup
I'm not
artist.
saying again.
Makeup artist, this guy with the camera. Where's Alpha? Alpha!
The generator boy with his Ghana coat.
What about the little boy?
Fantastic cast. Alpha is also here. Alpha in the building. Alpha in the building. Say hi.
Hello.
Alright. So when the movie comes out, make sure you get copies, not just one. Buy for yourself, for your families. God bless you.